Good evening, everyone. The wealth all across the globe is getting shattered. There is a lot of anxiety and turmoil within the investors. 1 year alpha has gone for downturns, and the panic state that whether the creation of the wealth will take place in the capital markets has become a question. All these situation has also come in 2009 when the global financial crisis was taking place, and in 2020 when there was a COVID disaster and the entire world was in lockdown state. However, these are microscopic events which will always be taking place at the geopolitical level. One has to take advantages and one has to strategically deploy the money at this point of time in order to take advantage of the situation. The absolute panic and anxiety to create wealth in the longer run of time is absolutely meaningless at this point of time because of the large foreign institutional outflows which has taken place from the emerging market space. Lot of technical parameters have been actually in favor of development of money in the equity markets at this point of time. The market cap to GDP, which was at a very expensive zone of 120, has come down to 78. And same is the case with the forward PE earning, which has gone down to below 20 levels. This has made the markets attractive to generate returns in time to come. The medium to long-term perspective of India within the emerging market space is seen to be quite attractive. There is a structural change which is taking place within the Indian market space. The domestic power or the domestic power of the investors is getting strengthened. At one point of time where the foreign institutional investors are going out, their vacuum is being absorbed by the domestic investors, which are taking the advantage of this lower valuations. Fundamentally, a lot of economic changes have taken place where the GST figures are stable at one point of time. A lot of manufacturing base are coming in this country. India is to be seen as a great export house, specifically for software as a service. All these factors have basically been in favor of this country, which will lead to an exponential growth not only in GDP but also in your portfolios in times to come. So guys, if you have a horizon of specifically 2 to 3 years time frame, you should devolve your money in equity at this point of time. And always remember, equity is always a hedge against inflation because no other asset class, specifically your fixed deposits, your debt funds, can help you out in arresting the inflation in the longer run of time. So guys, stay invested, stay calm and be rational to deploy your money into the equity markets at this point of time. Happy investing.